Hey guys, my name is Irene and I'm a YouTube content manager for TemplateMonster. I'm happy to greet you in 2020, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about top 5 events and conferences for designers and developers that are going to be held in January and February 2020. Why should a designer visit conferences? Or, well, basically, should they visit conferences? Well, of course, they don't have to do this, but if they want to grow as professionals and if they want to become better designers, eventually they will have to do some networking and communicate with fellow professionals, exchange opinions and ideas, get useful insights, and basically make new friends. Events are basically the places where they can do that. And so in this short video, I put together a list of 5 events that designers should pay attention to this winter and check them out. Probably, if you like these events, you may schedule them for the next year and eventually visit them on a regular basis. So, number 1 on our list is DesignTO Festival, which is going to be held from January 17th to January 26th. Design Toronto is a large-scale event for designers, which encompasses all forms of art and experimentation. And this year, DesignTO Festival celebrates its 10th anniversary. You can read more about the origins of the festival on their official website. You can also see the list of upcoming events and exhibitions that are going to be presented to visitors. Also, you can read more information about the festival itself. As you can see here, there will be over 100 exhibitions and events forming Toronto's Design Week. Also, you will find the list of ambassadors who have contributed to this festival or participated in the festival over the years. And on the website, you will also find the schedule and a selection of events that you can visit within the festival. Also, what's cool about the festival is that they have a recap of their last year's festival on the website, and you can check it out. You can see how much coverage it got on social media. You can get more insights about the exhibitions and events that have been held within this festival. You can check out the festival map if you're going there. That's going to be helpful. So I suggest you should check out their website. I will provide the link to Design Toronto official website in the credit section. So number 2 on our list of events is a UXCamp DC 2020. This event also celebrates its 10th anniversary this year, and it's going to be held on January 18th, 2020 from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. at District Architecture Center in Washington, D.C. This event is not your regular conference, as it is called the Unconference for people who love design. This is an intense day which holds 24 45-minute sessions and workshops, which are presented by people who have relation to design. So they may not be like practical designers or design practitioners, but somehow they are connected to creating great products and to designing things for and experiences for people. This year, there's going to be 150 attendees, and they also explain why the number is limited to 150. That's an interesting one. They say that this year they list 150 curious designers is because 150 is Dunbar's number. So they're building a community of people who are interested about user experience design, and they are not competing with large conferences. You can find the schedule of the conference on the website. What I loved about the website is the gallery, which holds a retrospect of their previous events. And as you can see, these are just regular people interested in design and interested in creating some great experiences for people. So you can check out the gallery and see the typical visitors of this event and see what their talks are about. And I guess this is an interesting event for those designers who do not seek large-scale events and who want some cozy atmosphere and some cozy talks about design. Also, I wanted to tell you about the admission fees, which aren't that expensive. The general admission costs $65 and the late admission will cost you $85. So you can check out UXCamp DC 2020 and maybe visit it for some difference and for meeting new people and communicating with fellow designers and design practitioners. Number 3 on our list is Invisible Talks Conference, which is going to be held in San Francisco on January 16th. Invisible Talks is another large-scale conference which celebrates the art of design. And basically, the mission of this conference is to build the community through conversation about the process of design and lots of other creative challenges that are faced by the designers on a daily basis in their creative practices. As you can see, they have an interesting website, and that's quite memorable. On the website, you can learn more about the story behind the Invisible Talks event and about its founders, Dava Guthmiller and Ariana Orland. Also, you can learn more about the team of people who support this event and who are linked to this event. As for the conference, this year's conference, they say that they've asked their speakers to go beyond the expected perspectives and thinking of the creative practice. So this is going to be interesting, and this idea is supported by the list of the main stage speakers, which is quite impressive. Here you will find people who work for major companies in the business, and as you can see, there's even Google's content strategy lead. So this is going to be interesting, I guess. And if you want to visit this conference on the website, you can proceed to purchasing the tickets. As you can see, the general admission conference tickets cost $450, while patron tickets cost $1,500. So I will provide the link to this event in the comment section and you can check it out. So number 4 on our list is Awwwards Design Conference. And as you can see, they have 3 conferences scheduled for 2020, but we're going to be talking about 2 of them, the Tokyo Conference and the Amsterdam Conference. So the Tokyo Conference is going to be held on the 23rd and 24th of January, and the Amsterdam Conference is going to be held on the 20th and 21st of February. The conference is called the Digital Thinkers Conference. Let's check out the website for the Tokyo Conference. As you can see, the design is staggering. The designers have really worked hard to create a great concept and great design. All of the details are responding, you see. So the speakers list includes some industry-leading designers, and if there's somebody you don't know, you can check out their work on their website and on their social media. So all of the links are provided, and I suggest you should go and check them out. What's cool about this conference is that there's going to be not only talks, but also workshops. And workshops present unique interacting learning experiences. And so within this particular conference, there's going to be 4 workshops that visitors can register for and participate in. I guess that's a great practical experience. And on the website, people could purchase the tickets, but unfortunately, this conference is already sold out, and the organizers of this conference suggest that you should click on Get Tickets and fill out the form, which will get you on the waiting list for another conference. So they're offering a substitute for those who didn't make it on time. Now we're going to be talking about the Amsterdam conference. It's also called Digital Thinkers, and the website is quite cool as well. Here you will find the speakers list, and these are truly the unmissable talks because the speakers list includes some really, really famous names like Paul Bogue, for instance, and Vitaly Friedman, who is also participating in the Tokyo conference, and other great designers that you should check out. This conference also has workshops. You can go in the workshop section and check out who's going to be holding the workshops. I suggest that designers should visit the workshops on different events, because this is a great way to communicate with people, to do some networking, and just to get some fresh emotions, to get insights, to get inspiration from the gurus of design. So this is a cool way to grow as a designer, as a professional. And finally, we'll proceed to the buy ticket section to see the prices, which vary depending on what kind of ticket you need. And as you can see, this conference is not sold out yet, so you can still purchase the tickets for it. And that's it for the Digital Thinkers Conference. I will provide the links in the comment section. Number 5 on our list of conferences is the NDC London conference, which is going to be held from January 27th to January 31st in Westminster, London. The NDC conference is one of the largest conferences for software developers in Europe. And since the date started in 2008, it has attracted lots of software developers from around the world. Within this conference, you get to listen to 107 speakers, participate in 14 workshops, and listen to 113 talks. So on the website, as usual, you can check out the agenda of the conference, you can check out the speakers' backgrounds, learn more about the workshops and the venue. What's cool about this conference is that they actually have a free event for kids. That's a free coding event. That's going to be held on the 30th of January. So if you think that your kid is the future programmer, you should definitely register them for this event. On the website, you can find the technologies that they're going to be talking about. And as for the talks, the scale of topics is quite broad. As you can see, from programming to empowering soft skills within the team. So I suggest that software developers and team managers should visit this conference, and I believe they will get some useful insights, but also web designers can also check out this conference to get the insights on the UI UX development and some areas that they face within their work. As for the tickets, you can get the tickets on the website. NDC London is a 5-day event, and it also has pre-conference workshops, which are then followed by the actual conference. So as you can see, the prices vary depending on the kind of pass you want to purchase. And you can make a purchase on the website directly. So that's quite comfortable. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos about web design tutorials, and to get lots of web design inspiration. Also, if you need ready-made website layouts, visit TemplateMonster Marketplace at TemplateMonster.com. Here you will find lots of website templates for different content management systems, as well as high-quality graphics resources, illustrations, fonts, and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.